Namaste students. Students, in previous class we have learned conversion in measures of mass. Okay, so we can convert kg to gram. We multiply 1000. Then conversion of gram to kilogram. We divide by 1000. So we have to learn. Okay, now today addition in measures of mass you have already learnt in that measures of length kilogram, so kilometer, meter. So we should write in the order wise, so it means vertically we can arrange and then we can adding. Okay, same we can process we have to follow. So we can go to the check that addition in measures of mass. So find the sum means addition answer. Okay, okay, let us hear. So in that measures of length kilometer, meter, centimeter will be there, but here kg and gram. Okay, we are measuring here solid weight, solid things. Okay, so now here 36 50, 56 kg 350 gram, 41 kg 210 gram, and 7 kg 26 gram. 7 kg 26 gram. Okay, so first write the units. Okay, first write the units kg and gram. Okay, so first kg we should write in the here and then gram here. So okay, now we can arrange it in the vertically 56 kg. Next, how much gram? 350 gram. Next, 41 kg. Next, 610 gram. Next, 7 kg. 7 it is ones place, 7 kg. Then 26 gram, it is two digit number. 26 gram, ones place is 6, tens place is 2, 100 places will be there. So will be 0. Next one, it is only ones place, tens place we should write 0. Okay, now find the sum, arrange it in vertically and find out the sum. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6. Next, no carry, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 3, 9. Next one, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry. Next, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 104 kg and 986 gram. This is the addition. Okay, so now again another one question, same we can arrange it in the vertically and find out the sum. First write the units first. Which are the units? Kg and gram. Kg and gram. Next, write into the vertically, arranged in column wise. 16 kg 106 gram, 106 gram. Next, 12 kg 110 gram. Next, 25 gram. So here kg is not there. What should you write? We write 00 kg. And then gram, how much? 25 gram. So 20 gram, it is two digit number. So first we should write ones place 5, tens place is 2. So 100 place will be 0. Fill up in this type. So now, so we are arranged in column wise. Then we can adding 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry. Next, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 1 plus 1, 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 28 kg, 241 gram. So this is the answer. Okay, so this type of we can do in the addition in measures of mass. Now, so I will go for statements and problems. So using this given data, so we can using that this type of questions will be asking in the statement sums. So we can now we can I will solve some two problems in the statement sum, exercise 11c. Okay, so like this type of questions will be there. So okay, now I will solve the statement sum problems. Okay, students, now I have written exercise 11c, statement some problems. Two statements, some problems. Okay, look at this first one question. He now bought 7 kg mangoes. He now bought 7 kg mangoes and 3 kg 850 grams melons, watermelons. Next, and 5 kg apples. 5 kg apples. So we find what is the total weight of fruits bought by her. So you have to purchase some fruits. So first one is 7 kg mangoes, and then 3 kg 850 gram melons, and then 5 kg apples. What is the total weight of what is the total weight of fruits bought by her? So we should find out the total weight of the bag. So he has purchased some total weight of the fruits. Okay, look at this. We can do here addition. So because they are asking total weight of the fruits, so let us find out the answer. So Hina bought fruits. Hina bought fruits. Bought some fruits. Bought some fruits. Fruits. Then so first mangoes. Mangoes. Next melons. Next another one apples. Apples. So first we should write the units kg and gram. What is the weight of the mangoes? 7 kg. 7 kg. Okay, what is gram? So we should here gram is not there, we should write 00 gram because kg is not gram is not there. So then what about melons? So how much kg? 3 kg. Gram is how much? 850 gram. Next, so apples 5 kg. Here also gram is not there, we should write 00 gram. So find out the total weight of fruits. So we should find 0, 5, 8. So then 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15 kg, 850 gram. So we can do this type. Okay. This is the find the answers of statements and problems in addition in measures of mass. So first one, I hope all of you understand this. Okay. Second one question. So it is in exercise 11C, fifth one question. Okay. Sunita is carrying books. Sunita is carrying books. You have daily carry the book. Okay. Carrying books. Weighing 2 kg. Sunita is carrying books weighing. Books weighing 2 kg 255 grams. So that is a books. Okay. Textbooks maybe 2 kg 255 gram. Notebooks weighing 1 kg 570 grams of notebooks, and lunch box weighing 570 in her school bag. They has the so Sunita has carry the bag. So these items are there. So first one is textbooks, then another one notebook, then lunch box. Okay, they are giving different weighings. Okay, now measures of weight. Okay, what is the total weight of school bag carried by her? So what is the weight of the school bag? So Sunita is carrying books. First two books. So what is the weight of the books? Books weighing 2 kg 250 gram. Then notebooks weighing 1 kg 570 gram, and lunch box weighing 570 grams in her school bag. So these are the things are in the bag. So what is the total weight of the bag she carried by her? So that is the question. So we should find out the total means we can add the. Okay, so now Sunita. Okay, Sunita. Okay, is carrying. Okay, Sunita. Okay, in her school bag, Sunita's Sunita's school bag bags. Okay, first one carrying books. The weight of textbooks. Textbooks. What is the weight of textbooks? and then notebooks, notebooks. Then what is the weight of the lunch bag? Lunch bag. So this is the, these things are in the bag. So is it right? Sunita school bag, textbooks, first notebooks, and then lunch bag. These items are there. So first we should find out the units, kg and gram. Okay, what is the weight of the school bag? So textbooks 2 kg, 255 gram. 255 gram. So another one, notebooks 1 kg, 570 gram. Next. So then what is the weight of the lunch bags? So here kg is not there. We should write 0 kg. What is the weight of the gram? So how much is 570? 570. So we should find out the total weight of the bag. So we should find out. Okay. Then so 5, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 5, 19 on carry. Okay, 5 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 13 on carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 kg, 395 gram in the weight of the school bag. This is the weight of the school bag. I hope clearly you have to understand. Okay. Yes. So now this is the weight of the school bag, the total weight of the school bag. Total weight of the school bag. School bag. So this is the total weight. So we should find out. This is the find the addition in measures of mass. So first we arranged in column wise, then first kg and gram separate, and then we can adding. So we get the sum. So this is the addition of measures in mass. So I hope all of you understand. Today's your homework is exercise 11b, exercise 11c. Exercise 11c, remaining 3 questions, first, second, third question, and then exercise 11b, first mine solved in textbook, second mine and third mine in HW. So I hope all of you clear. Okay, students, thank you so much. Dhanyavad.